how to exit safe mode in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you exit from the safe mode on your Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the run dialog box. So for that you'll have to just go in the source field just at the taskbar of your screen. So simply click on the source field and type for run. Alright, so simply you have to open the run command. Okay, so from this run section, you'll have to just type for the msconfig here, and after you type it, you'll have to just hit the enter or click on OK. Alright, so after you open the system configuration, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just go the section like boot. So simply click on the boot section. Alright, so simply from here on the boot option menu, you'll be able to see these safe mode options. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.